Hi guys! Welcome to today's video on your Color Fun channel. Today we will be drawing Katana Man from Chainsaw Man. Before we get started, I wanted to ask you to stick around until the end so you don't miss out on anything we have prepared for you. I'm sure you're going to love it and learn a lot. So, let's get started. If you have any questions or need anything else, feel free to ask me. I'm here to help you in any way I can. Subscribe, activate the bell. Leave a like, this helps me to grow the channel, and it doesn't cost you anything. Remember to leave a comment or an emoji. I'll be waiting for it. Leave a like, this helps me to grow the channel, and it doesn't cost you anything. Until the next video.